Hey, what's up? This is Mike. What you see in this video right here is I guess you can call it a truck horn slash train horn that my dad has, and he blew it once for me, and it's loud. And I guess you can put it on anything really. You can put it on your vehicle or pickup truck or a truck, whatever you want. But yeah, all you gotta do, it does work and it's really loud. All you gotta do is use this air chuck, which is right here, and you hook this up. You put the chuck in the hole right there like this, and then you pull you hit that red button, and then the horn goes off. So I'm gonna do a little video clip of this, and you can hear the horn blow. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Put in here. Let's see what it sounds like. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Pretty loud, pretty cool. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. So comment on it, like it, whatever. Bye.